So now let's turn to our last drawing, I think the fifth one from our practice number 3. So it looks like this, so as you can see. So let's start to drawing it. I'm opening AutoCAD, start drawing. So wanna drop it to our workspace, because I want to check like the biggest dimension here. Maybe like on this side it's turning like 74, here like maybe 100. Let's put first 100 millimeters. Done. Let's put it here like this. Okay, good. Page number 3 is here. Done. So as you can see, it's our file, it's our sample. So first of all, we need to look carefully at and how we need to think about like how to start and what we should we do. It's symmetric detail, but I think it's a little bit hard to use mirror option this time a lot. So my idea is the first of all start with the bottom of the detail, this part, and then let's move to upside of our detail, like this part first and then this side and connecting. The last place is this side. Okay, we will study something new I think here. So let's start from here. As you can see, the smaller the diagram is 44, the bigger one is like diameter is 60 millimeters. Okay, and then here is like 12 so circles with diameter 8 millimeters. So, and as you mentioned, this circle, the type of circle is different. The line is like center line. So I want to do like this. First of all, 44 millimeters diameter. It will be in radius is 22, and then the bigger one is like 60 millimeters. It will be diameter, so radius should be 30. So it's done. So let's put first of all the center mark here. Done. And then, sorry, I press wrong keyboard. And then let's change type of this line. As you can see, the type of this line is like center line, this kind of stuff. So I'm going to here and then using this part. Done. So we need to draw it here like 12 like circles. So I want to use array option again, array tool again. So we need to build the one circle with like 8 millimeter diameter. Like let's put here like done, as you can see. And then as you can see here, like every circle has its own like center mark. So let's put center mark together and then copy it with circle together. So just we need to draw one line. Let's put it like this kind of line, and then we need to increase it little bit, 2 millimeters up, 2 millimeters down. Done. I think there's two center marks here, so we need to check it. Oh, yeah. let's put only one center mark in the center here. Done. So as you know, we have one small line here. And can we put it like this? Done. And then just we need to change type of line here, like center. Done. And then choose line and this circle together, and then we need to use this array, polar array option. We need to choose center, and then it's automatically like draw 6 circles. We need to put here like 12. Oh, 12. Done. Need to press escape. So we will go to up a little bit. So let's build this place, and then as you can see, the distance between this center and this place is like 65 millimeters. So I want to build the left side of left center of this place. So I need to go up like 65 millimeters first, and then I need to go left like 37 millimeters. So because 74 dividing by 2, it will be 37 millimeters. So I want to use this option. From here I need to go up. Sorry, let me check. I forgot. I should go to up like 65 millimeters. 65 millimeters. No. Let's do it again. $65 millimeters. Let's use ortho mode. Now it will be easier. So 65 millimeters. What is it doing? I don't know, but let's check it. 65 millimeters. So I need to go left 37 millimeters. Down. So this point will be center of these semicircles. So if you mention, the bigger one is like 22, the smaller one is 8. So let's start from the smaller one. The radius 8, bigger one 22. Done. Just need to delete this extra line, and then let's just copy these two lines, but let's first put the center mark, and then we can copy it. With mirror we need to check 2 points. Done. Almost. As you can see, it's done. So I think it will be better, first of all we need to connect this side. So in this case we will do like this. We will use line tool. I will use this snap tool, snap point from here, and then I am going up. Don't forget, in this case, turn off the snap ortho mode. I will turn off it, and then if you go into this line, it shows this point, like the tangent point, the magic of like snapping tool. Done. And then just press escape. But as you mentioned, this place and then this place is not similar. So in this case, just select the line again, and then going down. So now it's showing this kind of point. The points that the line can smoothly connect to circle. Now it's done. So in this case, sometimes you need to check the change of this kind of position. So go to up, and then now it's changed. Done. Perfect. So if you are going to zoom in, there's no extra line here, so you can just copy it using mirror. Done. I always forgot to press enter 2 times. Enter. Done. So now let's connect these 2 lines, 2 circles, sorry. Escape. These smaller ones also. Done. Okay, let's delete extra lines. We will delete this part a little bit later after building this part. So we need to go up again. So we need to find this center and then build these 2 circles. As you mentioned, the distance, the horizontal distance is 66. So in the left side we need to go 33 millimeters. Going up will be like 54 millimeters far. So now we should increase this center mark a little bit higher. 150. I want to move it. It's not bad if we extend it very much. And I recommend to connect these center lines together. It looks nice then, as you can see. Now from here, from this center point, like we need to go up like 54 millimeters, and then we need to go left and see 33 millimeters. So first of all, line using temporary track point from here, and then going up 54 millimeters, and then going left 33 millimeters, building 33 millimeters. Ending on this line will be center of this circle. The smaller circle is like radius like 18. The bigger one is, as you can see, no sorry, smaller one is like with diameter 16. The bigger one is like radius 18. So the first diameter is like, let's choose diameter option, 16 millimeters. Done. The bigger one is like, the radius is 18, so it is. I think it's enough. Let's delete this one, and then let's put center mark again here. I think we need it again, and then it's better to copy it using mirror tool here. It's necessary to build these kind of sizes. Okay, when we are connecting up and down, as you can see, here is the distance. The radius is 22 millimeters. So we will use fillet tool. We will use radius from commander, and then we need to put radius. Size is like 22. We will choose 2 items. Done. We will do the exact same action from here also. Again. Done. And then this place is little bit tricky, guys. Like you can use this exact same, the fillet option also here. As you can see, we will use radius. The radius is 20 here. So we will choose these 2 circles, so it's done. Same. But when we are using, it's going to down, the radius is 56 millimeters. So I'm using fillet, the radius is 56 millimeters. Look, it will be like this. Now we cannot use this tool, and here I want to show you another one cool stuff here. So before doing this circle, we need to find the center of, when we are drawing, we need to find center of this curvy line. When we are drawing by our hand, we need to to this action a lot, but when we are using Autodesk, we don't need to find the center of this like curvy line, but in this case we need to find. So there is one tricky point from technical drawing, I think. So to find this center of this curvy circle, we will do like this. We will add two radiuses, this radius and then this radius. Here is diameter, so radius will be 8. So let me check the size of this plate. Yeah. So we need to add these two radiuses, 8 and no, sorry. Now it's connection from bigger circle. So we need to put like radius 18 and then radius 20. We need to add together, and then in this radius we need to draw the bigger one. So it means like we need to build circle with the size 38 millimeters. Let me do it first. Look, the center is same from here, 38, done. And then we need to build exact same circle also here with exact same size. And then if we build, if we the connection of these two lines, two circles, will be center of this curvy line. Let me show it. I will do like this, and then building another circle with radius. As you mentioned, here the radius was 20. So if I put 20 here, it exactly lays down in this the curvy line also. Done. As you can see, this small curvy line stays in this same position. So just I can choose this line and then just delete, and then if I trim this part, oh sorry, I made a mistake, this part, done. And then we can easily use delete extra circles. But how about in this place? Here is, it's like inner pairing, we call it inner pairing, I think, where we are using fillet. So this part is like inside of two circles, but this part is outside of two circles. So in this case I want to use another formula. In this case we need to delete, not delete, like cut off these 18 millimeters from these like 56 millimeters. Let me do it again. If we do some mathematics, like it will be 38 millimeters. We need to build the circle with 38 millimeters radius. So exact same center, 38 millimeters. Again, this one 38 millimeters, and then connection of these two lines will be center of this pairing line, curvy. Like, let me do it again. So building another circle with 56 millimeters, done. As you can see, the connection points are the exact same, 100%. So I want to delete these extra lines and then trim extra lines again. Don't forget this part, and then this part, and then compare we need to delete these parts also. So compare our sample with our drawing that we drawn in this video lesson. So as you can see, we need to trim this part also. I think there is no mistake. And then decoration, pointing, and then putting dimensions are your task, I think. But here is I wanted to say something. If you can see, here is the extra text here. Before a diameter mark and then size, there's like this kind of stuff. If you want to do this kind of stuff, just use exact same action. But if you want to put extra text here, just click here 2 times to this dimension and then choose the position before the dimension or after dimension. It doesn't matter. You can write whatever you want. In this case, if you can see, it's this kind of stuff. Enter. Okay, done. Okay, in this, so you can do the same action with another places also. So I think you will finish this detail. Okay, if you want to decrease the size of this line, you can decrease. Okay. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you in next classes.